What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video channel thingy. Well, today I'm making a video of Call of Duty Mobile. Let's get into it. We'll be starting a match. Okay, load. Okay. We'll do frontline. Just waiting now. It's been so slow. Okay, let's get into this. If you haven't checked out this game, just go into your Play Store and type in Call of Duty, and you should see it. Well, now we wait.
Frontline.
Here it is. Let's do this thing, soldiers.
Lost the lead.
Ah, jeez. Huh. I haven't played Call of Duty in a while. Where's everybody at?
Enemy in sight. Grenade!
Shoot.
Move! Target down. Enemy down. Changing mag.
Mobile is way harder than the other one. Ah. Oh. Ah, jeez. Yeah, this is way harder than Xbox. Or any console, I guess. Invisible.
Target down.
What?
Reloaded. Cover me. Reload. Target down. Changing mag. Cover me.
Wait.
Enemy down. Target down. Changing mag. Reloading. Cover me.
Shoot.
Changing mag. Cover me.
Oh, let me shoot him.
Boom. Headshot.
Oh, it's ready. Are you serious? I hear. Oh wow. Did I get him? Oh wow, I got him. That's cool.
Enemy down!
I'm gonna use my pistol now. See how good this is. Oh jeez. Everybody's dying like flies now. Dropping like flies. Ooh. Hashtag flies up in here. Oh, shoot, they're invisible. No. Ah, jeez. Wait, why are they spawning over here?
Bingo down!
I'm normally so good, but I don't know what it is. Hey.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Enemy UAV spotted.
Okay, so yeah, they're gonna like win this. Yeah, I'm not good at it though, but that's okay.
Tango down!
Yeah.
Okay, I was making sure because I know that has a mic feature.
No, I ain't
Losing
talking
this
to people.
fight.
I don't want to do that. Yeah, when they're invisible right now, I can't.
Target down!
You can be like, hey, I see this person on the map.
Yeah, the UAV will help you a lot. They're about to win, but that's okay. Oh, they won. That's okay. No, I don't think I did better. I kept on dying for some reason. But normally I'm so good. It's probably, I don't know. But it's, wait.
I mean, you know, it does have the whole, like, you can pay to be better thing.
Yeah, I'm not buying the battle pass or anything. Or whatever they're doing.
It's stupid how there's a battle pass.
They're doing a battle pass and everything
I
now.
mean, like, the battle pass is smart, but also dumb because,
Like,
first,
Fortnite
people
had
want
it.
to buy it, so, like, you know,
Didn't
community
Fortnite-
gets money.
didn't-
Second, you know, it makes people want to play, so more people are playing your game more often.
Anyways, Fortnite had it first, and then PUBG added it, right? And then, like, everybody's adding it now.
I think it was basically Fortnite was like, hey, battle pass, and everyone was like, yo, good idea. Because, like, people pay you, people, you know, play the game because they pay for it.
Yeah, like, this game's really cool and all, but I don't want to, like, be spending money on it.
Yeah.
I got 10 kills, and the, number one person got 12. I think we did good. Well, everybody, this seems like a good spot, I guess, to end the video. I don't really know, but anyways, peace, turtle clams, and